Hi, thanks for watching. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial for the members who are able to create their own custom capture pages. So pages that you've created yourself as a paid member using the drag and drop editor. However, I had a member who asked me how can they create their own kind of text like this. You know, this is an image. This text here at the top here is actually an image file, and they wanted to be able to either edit that or create their own. And I said that I basically said that it's not possible. However, you know, it just dawned on me that you could actually use the built-in tools within Network Solutions Pro to create text, really nice looking text like this, using the graphics maker. So we got a graphics maker tool there, and you could make text almost identical to that, if not in some ways better. But I'll explain. So go to the drag and drop editor, and then I'm going to edit this one. And in the content area, you have remember, you've got loads and loads of text here to choose from, but for some people, you know, they want to be able to customize and make their own text because it doesn't quite fit what they're doing, you know, their marketing campaign. So we can make our own, either that, or you can, obviously the easiest option is just to click text, and then you can just simply write out your own text, like this, for example. And then do it like that, but it doesn't look quite so nice. Obviously you can change the colors and stuff, I agree. But it's still not quite so nice. So I'm going to show you how to do this using the graphics editor to make it look really, really nice. So for all paid members, you get access to this graphics maker. And I'm going to head over to the Facebook editor because we've got a few extra elements in here that will allow you to make the text look even better than the other editors. So that's why I've chosen the Facebook editor, but we're not actually posting on Facebook. Of course you can make these graphics and then of course post them on Facebook instead, but I'm just showing you in this tutorial how to create the text so you can add that text as an image block onto your capture pages. So let's start with a custom size. I'm going to do 500 width by 300, maybe 250 height. Let's try that. Of course, in your case, it's gonna vary. What you're trying to do is you want to make your text fit exactly within the background. So top and sides. You know, you don't want to have too much in the way of blank space. And then you go to background. And all your backgrounds are in here. However, in your case, you don't want a background because you want the text, only the text to stand out, and everything in the background on the capture page to be able to show. So you just get rid of the background completely. So you just select the top one, and that completely gets rid of the background. So what that'll do is it'll make a completely transparent background on your image here. And then I just head over to text, and I add in a text block. And I paste in my content, my text. Set that so that Now at this point it's up to you what sort of font you want, but I'm just going to go with, you can use any of these fonts, we've got loads to choose from, but for this example I'm just going to use that. And then I'm going to set color to white, and then I'm going to use a drop shadow to give it some drop shadow. Now it's up to you, but at this point I'm just going to, you could just go with that, but some people might prefer to make the text here a bit bigger by itself, and here, because this line at the bottom, you've got 3 lines of text, this line at the bottom is longer than the other 2. So the only way you can really do that is just copy this out here like this, and then cut that out. So now and then what you do is you just create another text block and then paste the rest of that in. So now you've got 2 separate text blocks, but what you want to do is you want to set the font to the same as what you had, and then the color to white, and then drop shadow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that sort of a similar size to the other text. Again, this is completely up to you. You might think it doesn't look so good and you can just have it all the same size text, but I just wanted to make kind of like a box shape so the text looks, you know, so you haven't got too much blank space on the side here and at the top and so on. So I'm just going to make all this a lot bigger. We've still got some blank space at the top, so you go back to custom size, go down to the custom size and take it down a little bit further, maybe even further again. Yeah, that'll do. And then what you can do is how to generate a passive income. So even within the text block itself, you can actually colorize individual bits of text to however you want. So blue maybe, and it's up to you. How to generate passive income through Bitcoin mining. And then of course, you know, I mean, really you're just making a custom image. You can put anything personalized, join my team or anything like that, and you know, it's totally up to you. But now I've basically created the text. I'm going to download it. Save it to your desktop, and then you can either save it here. What we've done is downloaded the image here, but you can alternatively save it to your desktop, because if you want to re-edit that later on, you can save it, and when you upload it anytime, it'll retain exactly how you had it, so you don't have to create it from scratch each time. So it's once you've created the template, you can save it on your desktop using this button here and come back and edit it anytime. So then we head over to drag and drop editor. Either create a new capture page from scratch if you want, or edit an existing one. So I'm going to edit this. It's going to change the background to black. Go to content. So add that in there, and then preview. And there's your custom text. How to generate passive income through Bitcoin mining. So there you go. That's how you create custom text that looks pretty good. You know, it's got the background shadow, drop shadow on the text, but the text itself is transparent, so it brings out the background color, and you've added some colors in there as well, so it looks, you know, it looks like it really stands out. So yeah, there you go. It looks quite good on a mobile device, on a tablet. Anyway, I hope that was useful, and anyway, thanks for watching. Bye for now.